In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero training, how to do bank reconciliation for online entrepreneurs, 5 minutes. Bank reconciliation keeps your books accurate by matching the transactions in your bank feed to the invoices, bills, and manual entries in Xero. If you sell online, this is how you make sure payouts, fees, and refunds are recorded correctly. Start by opening Xero and signing in. Click Login, enter your email and password, complete any security check if prompted, and continue. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official Xero site. Once you land on the dashboard, look for your bank account tile and choose Reconcile Items. You'll see lines from your bank feed on one side and potential matches on the other. Often Xero suggests a match automatically. When the details, date, and amount look right, simply confirm by clicking OK. That posts the transaction to your ledger and clears it from the list. If there's no suitable suggestion, you'll search for one. Click Find and Match. Use the search box or filters to narrow by contact amount or date, then click Go to refresh the list. Review the results carefully, select the transaction or combination that adds up to the bank amount, and verify tax and account coding look correct. When everything aligns, click Reconcile. Sometimes there isn't a transaction to match because it hasn't been created yet. You can add it on the spot. In the Find and Match window, choose New Transaction, then pick Receive Money for Customer Receipts. If the payment is more than an open invoice or doesn't relate to an invoice yet, select Overpayment as the type. Fill in the details you need: who paid you, what the money is for, why it was received, along with the correct account, tax rate, amount, and date. Add a clear description or reference to make future reviews easier. Click Save Transaction. It will appear in the list, ready to be selected and reconciled. Another quick option on the Reconcile screen is to use Create to enter the who, what, and why fields directly for that bank line. Confirm the details and click OK to complete the reconciliation. As you work through your list, double-check dates and amounts and make sure customer names and account codes are consistent. Repeat these steps until your to reconcile count reaches 0. That's it. Your bank is reconciled, your reports are cleaner, and your cash position is accurate.